my name is Azara Soler and I will be hosting today's webinar organized by Solertic to present Prodec and Sinterpack companies as part of the group and some of the developments that will be launched to the market in 2022. Let's begin. Today I find myself in very good company. I'm sitting with Joan Martí, Sales Manager for the Mediterranean countries, Africa and the Middle East, and Yolanda Robinson, one of our product managers. Hello, Joan.
Hello.
Hello, Yolanda.
Hello.
Welcome to this webinar.
Thank you.
Joan, today you will be introducing Prodec as a company, so we get to know more about what you do and the kind of solutions you offer to the market. So tell us, what kind of solutions does Prodec offer?
Today we are a specialist in end-of-line packaging machinery. And we are experts in managing flexible packages such as doy pack, pillow bag, float bag, change packs, and to place it in the secondary packaging presentation as American box, wraparound, tray and lid, through a wide range of equipment using pick and place and robotic applications such as top loading, side loading, wraparound systems, and cartoning. When we say that we are working with the pouches, means that we have developed a lot of kind of solutions, and we have to do it for each product. It's not the same to do it with a pillow bag for pasta or a doy pack with liquid. And all these kind of applications are for mainly the food industries like cereals, edible oil, frozen foods, dairy products, and also home and personal care such as laundry detergents, softeners, cleaners, and others. Also, I would like to say that we have also some experience in tobacco and pharma industries.
Thank you very much, Joan, for the explanation. That was very interesting. Yolanda, after Joan's introduction, could you tell us a little more about Prodec chain pack solutions?
Yes, of course. So Prodec offers a solution which is based on an automatic top-loading case packing machine. It's included in the Delta series and it's called NPC. It has to be complemented with a multiple in-feed conveyor system, which is driven by a motor, and it has installed a set of photocells to detect the presence of the chain pack.
What makes this chain pack system different from others in the country?
I would like to talk about this because Prodec has developed a technology which is different from the rest of the companies. Our technology is based on the pick and place system that's based on two heads that will separate and pick up the chain pack to place it into the box. And why is it different? Well, it's different because of the technology behind. It is based on a horizontal and vertical axis, two servo motors, and a timing belt. And this will provide a high production, soft movements, and some integrity to the case packing. Also, it's really important for the organization of the product that it is pressed together before. We have to fold the ends if necessary, and then we can place it into the box without any problem. So we have two different kinds of folding, so to say. The principal ones, I will start with the double zigzag pattern. So we would fold it in this manner, basically. And the second one would be a single zigzag pattern, and something like this. Okay.
Thank you very much, Yolanda. That was very insightful. What are the advantages Prodec solutions bring to the market to help their customers?
Well, for the flexible packaging is really very important the infit of the pouches and the collation into the box. With more than 50 years experience in Barcelona area, I will say hub on packaging machinery, we are able to guarantee a complete solution with high efficiency and reliability of a complete line. The treatment that we apply and we receive the fillers is depending of each case packing system that we finally propose. Top loading and pick and place system are completely different approach. It's not the same that the receive from a filler that horizontal or vertical or multi-line sachets. So in each kind of applications we need to find a good solution. Depending the solution we implement, we can use a stacker belt, collation belt, turning belt, and this is allow us to place the pouches into the most optimal position with right versatility and correct position. This is something that is very important, because I will say that the customer is not only getting the normal or the requirement that is thinking about, is also that we can offer something else.
Yolanda, is there anything else you would like to highlight about Prodec?
Yes, I would like to point out several advantages. One of them is that Prodec offers a modular system. This modular system can go up to 6 picking heads, which can offer the picking of up to 300 pouches per minute, which is quite good. Also, talking about heads, I would like to mention that sometimes our clients come with different product dimensions and we have to offer different formats. So we have to change these formats in the heads, and this will take only several minutes. So the client has to change it by means of a lever lock, which I think we all know how to use. Last but not least, Prodec offers a low maintenance with respect to the machines, and this will guarantee a further lifespan.
Our key value is work alongside the customer the whole process since we received the initial request till the commission of the line. We accompany to our customers, helping them to optimize their proposing a competitive solution with added value. As soon as we get the requirement from the customer, the sales managers arrange several meetings with our team department to develop a solution. We share our proposal with the customers in order to ensure that it needs and the requirements, and to improve our best offer. This continuous communication with the customer allow us to adapt a solution of the customer expectation, even beyond. I will say an example that for this is that our customer in Jacobs, we receive a project for doy packs for powder coffee, and the requirement was to place in flat position. So our offer becomes to give them the solution to place the doy packs in upright position and flat position, and in more than 45 different formats. I would like to add that we have not limitation in the speeds, so our solution gives a lot of possibilities to avoid limitation of the speed. And also I would like to be very clear: efficiency thanks to the proven experience. This gives us a difference in the market.
Joan, Yolanda, thank you very much for being here with us today. I really appreciate it. I'm right now next to Joan Nazarre, head of our R&D department.
Hello.
And Anael Gordillo, one of our product developers. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Today, they are going to give us a brief heads up on the upcoming projects of the company, our latest developments, and hopefully we'll be given a sneak peek opportunity to see these latest developments. Joan, we'll start with you. It seems you have been developing some new improvements for one of our key products, the Delta PMP top loading. Could you explain to us a little bit more about this?
Yes, of course. The company requests to the R&D department to improve the actual pick and place system called D300 that has been installed in more than 1,000 machines. The target we fixed was to improve the system to make it more compact, faster, and compatible with our existing Delta. Model case picking so could be implemented without changing any of the existing manufacturing process. After some development and testing, we finally adapted what we call two-axis robot, improving our existing pick and place in the following 4 points. The first one, the pick and place system compatible with current modular Delta 100 and Delta 300 benches. The second one, reduce footprint in height. Currently, the 100 and the 300 measure at least 3.52 meters in height, whereas the two-axis robot solution measures at maximum of 3 meters in this dimension. Number 3, reduce the footprint and cost with respect to the current Delta solutions. And the last one, the number 4, maintenance time and cost reduction by 60%.
Following on Joan's explanation, I think Anael wants to tell us about some new applications Cholertic has been developing with cobots. Is that correct, Anael?
Yes. The main objective of this project is to develop a collaborative solution to form cases, bottom seal them, do the case packing, upper seal the filled boxes, and palletize them.
Anael, this sounds enlightening. Could you dive deeper into the proposed solution?
Sure. Breaking it into parts, the first module is dedicated to the forming and filling of boxes by means of a collaborative robot, a UR10 from Universal Robots, that can perform both activities together or exclusively. The use of a single robot results in a reduced footprint, which is ideal for small places. Moreover, the collaborative aspect of this solution implies that no external protections are needed. Finally, the end of line is composed by Cinterpack's collaborative palletizing solution. Without external barriers and using a cobot to ensure the operator's safety, tasks such as replacing full pallets with empty ones can be performed while the robot is still working without putting the worker at risk.
I have the feeling we are arriving at the climax of the interview with some new premiere from Joan. Am I right?
We are developing a new solution for the packing of standing doi packs, composed by an industrial robot coupled to a stacker. On the robot is mounted in a lightweight static effector. It reduces waste achieved through the use of additive techniques and other new technologies for its manufacture. We are working in a new head where we are using a new materials. We want to lose some inertia, and there are a lot of expectations about this new system.
After this latest reveal from Joan, I'm not sure if Anael will be capable of presenting anything juicier than that to surprise our viewers. What do you think, Anael? Do you have an ace under your sleeve?
Maybe. As previously presented by my colleague Yolanda, we are now working on applying our know-how on chain pack management to a new modular solution, making the folding and packing independent. The objective is to develop a flexible system able of performing even more types of chain pack foldings, as well as reducing the footprint and cost with respect to the NPC Delta. Our approach is to use robots for the folding module because with these manipulators we can imitate the natural movement that a person would do while achieving good repeatability, speed and control over the chain packs. Depending on the client needs in terms of required working cycles or chain pack folding types, the solution could include 1 or 2 robots. In addition, we are developing a new concept of end effector that could both flip the end of the chain pack and pick it up for the folding. The solution can work with chain packs formed by 6, 8, 10, 12 or 15 packs per chain and bend them in different ways, such as an M, Z or E fold. On the other side, the packing module could introduce the folded chain packs inside the boxes in 2 different orientations, flat or on their side when opening the box. Finally, the modularity of this system will allow clients to choose which configuration works best for them. A folding module could be combined with manual packing of individual goods or of groupings, or the end of line could be completely automatized by acquiring both the folding and packing modules. Moreover, other units such as a measuring and discarding module could be added into the system.
Thank you, Joan. Thank you, Anael. Thanks for being here and sharing these new developments with us in this webinar. We know you like to have these things locked in a safe, so we really appreciate you sharing this information with us today.